In response to the state government's claim that an aeroplane can land along National Highway 37, the All Manipur Petroleum Transporters Association, AMTA, has announced a 3-day halt to their operations starting Monday. This decision comes amid mounting frustration over the severely deteriorating condition of the Imphal-Jiribam route, which has left transporters grappling with unprecedented challenges. AMTA's announcement highlights a critical situation where travel between Imphal and Jiribam now takes over 4 days. The association has urged the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) to undertake urgent repairs on National Highway 37, which has become a bottleneck for essential services. The poor state of the highway has led to over 480 trucks, including LPG gas bullets and petroleum tankers, being stranded. These vehicles are caught in a quagmire, with empty goods trucks also piling up at Nukao village in Tamenglong district to prevent further congestion. A video circulating on social media shows a petroleum tanker mired in the muddy road, unable to move. Following recent violence in the region, transporters have predominantly shifted to National Highway 37 from National Highway 2 to avoid the Kuki-dominated areas. The shift, coupled with inadequate road maintenance, has exacerbated the situation, causing significant delays and damage to vehicles. The Imphal Valley is also facing an LPG shortage, with distributors protesting against frequent monetary demands on July 18. They warned that such demands could disrupt the supply chain. Tanker drivers report that loaded trucks are stuck near Makru Bridge, while empty trucks are stranded at Nukao village. Excavators are frequently used to extricate stuck vehicles, causing further damage.